Hi guys, it's totally incredibly delighted to present my speech today. I am Abdillah, but we have a new one. Let's praise the presence of Allah and merciful God, who has bestowed our blessings for the health, the opportunities, and the happiness we feel today. Praise and salutation upon our Prophet Muhammad SAW, who has been guiding us on the path of Allah the Almighty. Furthermore, I'm going to present my speech on this happy occasion entitled Unity in Diversity. Ladies and gentlemen, what is unity? What is diversity? And what is the advantage of the two? Let me talk and hear together that unity in diversity is the existence of one is given after vast numbers of difference. Unity in diversity is a common proverb. It is said that united we stand, divided we fall. The meaning of this proverb is, if we stay together, then nobody can defeat us. If we keep fighting over trivial matters, then outsiders may take advantage of our internal weakness. We can understand it very well with an example. We all know the story of the old man and his three sons. When the old man is dying, his sons began to quarrel. He asked them, one by one, to break a bundle of sticks tied together. They were unable to do it. He ordered the bundle to be united, and then asked his sons to break its sticks separately. They did it easily. This was a lesson to their sons that strength lies in unity, and they never afterward quarreled or forgot to stand united. Ladies and gentlemen, in every walk of life, we find that it is our unity that gives us strength. Even in the animal world, the animal help each other in the face of danger. When one senses danger nearby, then they immediately indicate the other creatures of the tree. When people quarrel among them and continue to do so in the face of adversity, we can never think of putting up a joint front against the enemy. The important aspect is our life is unity. Diversity has advantage in it, as when people from diverse backgrounds and beliefs come together, a number of ideas combine, which leads to increased creativity and ideas. People from diverse backgrounds can provide for adapting to ever-changing customer demands. A collection of people with diverse experience, skills, language, and other differences can be solved if people around the world get united as one entity. When people of a country develop a sense of unity among themselves, the government of the country can focus on economic development and security of the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, Indonesia is the best country to explain this concept, as India is a country where it's very clear to see unity in diversity because of people of any religion, race, culture, and tradition live together without hurting its other feelings and beliefs in their religion. The number of diversity make more complex unity. People of Indonesia are united in spite of much diversity. Unity in diversity has been one of the great characteristics of our nation, which has been people of our religions together in one bond of humanity. Unity in diversity concept in Indonesia gives everyone a strong message that nothing is without unity. Living together with love and harmony provides the essence of life. Unity in diversity in Indonesia shows us that we are one, guarded and nourished by one supreme God. Ladies and gentlemen, finally, we are arriving at the end of my speech. I wish my speech has offered you a valuable insight on what is unity in diversity and the advantage of it. The end I say you, thank you.